And do you know what even pains me here? Liverpool winning the league. It's about the manager. A manager coming to Premier League, his first season, he's winning the league. Liverpool as a team winning the league doesn't pay me. I don't have problem with it. Yes, I saw how they struggle under Klopp. Yes, so many over the 30 years until 2019 they won the Premier League. So Liverpool as a team winning the league, they deserve it. But my issue is the manager. How? Chelsea spending 1.5 billion. Ateta being in the Premier League 5 seasons. From nowhere, a manager just came. His first season, he's winning the Premier League. His first season, he is winning the Premier League. All the big guns are there. See, this is a big disgrace to all the traditional systems, the so-called systems. Manchester United, Arsenal and co, Chelsea and co. Be in the Premier League. And he's not from nowhere coming to win the league. And he's not in his first season coming to win the Premier League. See, even Pep in his first season, he didn't win the Premier League. Pep winning the league 4 times consecutively. He didn't win the Premier League in his first season. Ateta being in the league 5 seasons. Chelsea spending 1.5 billion. Nothing to show. Any time that I see any team beating Man City, as I said, I started crying. I started crying as a Chelsea fan. This Manchester City is so easy to beat this season. But my Chelsea cannot beat them. They beat my Chelsea home now away this season. Oh, sorry. Guys. This is painful because owners who knows nothing about football, owners who only think that football is about making money. Football is about making profit. What do you expect? What do you expect? Guys, this is shameful. This is shameful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, I can tell you that Liverpool winning the league this season is gifted by Chelsea. Chelsea is going to give Liverpool the league title this season. And I will tell you the reason why. But before we come and do that, guys, please hit the like button for this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation, the hope to give you more videos. Guys, let's come to the reason and why I said Chelsea gifted Liverpool or will let Liverpool win the league this season. See, when the season started, nobody was counting on Chelsea. Nobody was even including Chelsea into the top 4 race. But we started the season very well. To some extent, we were second on the league table. To some extent, it left with 3 points for Chelsea to be on top, first on the league table. Chelsea must win and go on top. We failed to win that game, if you can remember. But during Maresca press conference, whenever they asked him about Chelsea winning the league, Maresca would say, we are not in the title race. We are not in the title race. We are not yet ready. Yes. And I myself, to be honest, I was supporting that. If you can watch my previous videos or if you have been watching me, I was supporting that we are not in the title race. But my reason was that our players are young, inexperienced. So I was thinking Maresca was saying that to ease the pressure from the players, from our players, so that they can have the safe mind, yes, the clear mind to go and perform and be winning games without any pressure on them. So that was my belief. Maresca saying that Chelsea is not in the title race, not knowing that Maresca is saying it from his heart and not from his mouth or his head. You know, our heart knows the truth. If someone is lying, the heart knows the truth. It's only the mouth that lie. Maresca was saying from his heart and not from the mouth or his mouth. Maresca was really mean it. He was really mean it. I'm telling you. And that was the time, the mentality of Chelsea not being in the title race. Maresca meaning it from his heart. That was the stagnated point. That was the starting point of Chelsea downfall. I'm telling you, that mentality in which the players are giving their all. Maybe some of the players were having the belief that, okay, if we continue like this, or okay, if we start the season very well, playing very well, we can go ahead and win the league. In which your manager is telling you that you can't win the league. What do you expect as if you can't give your all again? Because you want to win the league. Your manager is telling you, guy, you are not ready to win the league. How can you perform again? How can you give maximum performance? How can you give your best, your quality performance again? No. See, guys, That was a wrong mentality. I won't lie. Some of us was in support of that. We were saying it. And for me, as I said, my mind was that maybe to ease the pressure from the guys to go and play. Not knowing that Maresca really meant it. He was saying it from his heart, as I said. We saw it during his press conferences. Yes, one of almost all his press conferences at the beginning of this season. He was saying that when they appointed him as a manager, the owners didn't inform him to get tougher or to compete, maybe next 2 seasons or 3. And that was the reality. Maresca was saying it from his heart and from what the owners informed him. And the owners really informed him that we can't compete for the league, even get tougher this season. And as I said, that is where our downfall started. That is where our downfall started. If not that, by now, Chelsea will be giving Liverpool the pressure. But see, for Arsenal, they all know Arsenal. That is why Evra said Arsenal is just like what and what. You just have to wait for another season. Netflix. Arsenal is like Netflix. You just wait for another season. But imagine Chelsea being at your back. Imagine you are competing for the league and Chelsea is giving you pressure. See, sometimes when a team is about to win the league, the pressure can even, or the pressure other teams are giving to that team ahead, being on top like Liverpool, that pressure can even let Liverpool be losing some points. See, this season, Liverpool is going to win the league because all the big teams or all the other teams are shambolic. We are not playing very well. That is why Liverpool is going to see. Liverpool may even win the league with much gap difference between the first position and the second position. The points will be big. Because for Arsenal, they can't win the league. Arsenal is managing to win the league, and you can't manage to win the Premier League. But for Chelsea, when the season started, we were having everything. We were having Team A, we were having Team B. All this Team A and Team B, they were on form. They were all playing very well. Whether you substitute whether Neto was playing, whether Sancho was playing, everybody was playing. Maresca brought competition into this team among the players in the first round. But because of the mentality, his losing mentality, saying that Chelsea is not in the title race, saying that we should wait for 2 years or 3 years to come, that is why Chelsea fell out. I'm telling you. So imagine Chelsea was giving Liverpool the pressure. By now, see, Liverpool will not be getting the points they are getting now. Yes, beating City, home and away. Yes. And this Man City team, this season, everybody is beating them. But Chelsea, they beat us home and away. See, anytime that I see Man City being beaten, it still pains me. Why is it that everybody can beat Man City this season and Chelsea, I can't beat Man City? In a season, 2020, I beat this same Man City home now. See, the prime Man City at that time, I beat him home and away and home. Champions League final. I beat him and won one of the major trophies in the world. And at a point, the worst season ever in the history of Pep. I can't beat him. I can't beat him. This is shameful. Because now, the owners and our manager, they are all inexperienced. They now turn our team into smaller club. So, what do you expect? Man City play against one of the smallest clubs in the Premier League. What do you expect? We have to lose. We have to lose. And the mentality is no more there. The winning mentality is no more in Chelsea. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you today, forget about winning in Chelsea until Blue go out, until Clearlake out, because they are not changing the project. Because they are, see, making profit in a business is very sweet. And already they started. They cash out already on so many players. So it will be difficult for them to stop or to change this model. The only best thing we, the Chelsea fans, can do is to chase them out. No. They should go and do their business somewhere else. But not football. Football is a business thing, but not direct business. Whilst we are lacking competition in our first team. See, 1.5 billion spent. Chelsea don't have a goalkeeper. Chelsea don't have good defenders. Chelsea don't have midfielders. Chelsea doesn't have a striker. 1.5 billion spent. See, the reason why we are seeing all these lacking things in our starting 11, in our senior squad, is because the monies they spend is on young players. Young players that will grow in the future so that their market value increase and they sell them to make their profit. So they didn't spend the money to build a big team, to build a competitive team for Chelsea to be competitive or winning trophies. They spend the monies on young players so that in the future they can yield their profit from these young players. See how much Chelsea signed Nicolas Jackson, almost 37, 36 million. Now Nicolas Jackson market value is almost 95 million to 100 million. Cole Palmer, I think 40 something million with Sam. Now Cole Palmer is almost 120 million. So let me tell you the secret about signing young players. See, when you sign young player in your team, even if he doesn't deliver, you will not get lost on him. Even if he is not playing very well, as far as the age is still down, he is still young, if you are going to sell him, you will sell him at a higher price because of hoping for future performance. He still has years ahead of him. He still has seasons ahead of him. So imagine Chelsea selling Gusto in the future. Chelsea will not get any loss. Although Gusto may not be performing all these players, Chelsea will still make profit. So that is the advantage of signing young players. Look at Chukwuemeka. How many game time Chukwuemeka get in Chelsea? But if Chelsea is going to sell him, I think we'll sign him 20 million. And in the general transfer window, they were selling him 40 million. That is what I'm talking, because he's still young. Yes, the potential is still there. Yes, in the future, he can still deliver. So no matter how the situation, whether the young player they sign get playing time or not, in the future, still they will make profit. So them spending 1.5 billion, no. They don't spend it for your first team to be competitive. They spend it maybe on the future. When they are selling Cole Palmer, they will get their profit, huge amount of profit. When they are selling Gusto, although these players may not even perform, but as far as they are still young, they will make their money. So guys, I'm telling you, Chelsea is gifting Liverpool this EPL trophy this season. Chelsea is gifting Liverpool this EPL trophy. No pressure on Liverpool this season. And do you know what even pains me here? Liverpool winning the league. It's about the manager. A manager coming to Premier League, his first season, he's winning the league. Liverpool as a team winning the league doesn't pay me. I don't have problem with it. Yes, I saw how they struggle under Klopp. Yes, so many over the 30 years until 2019 they won the Premier League. So Liverpool as a team winning the league, they deserve it. But my issue is the manager. How? Chelsea spending 1.5 billion. Ateta being in the Premier League 5 seasons. From nowhere, a manager just came. His first season, he's winning the Premier League. His first season, he is winning the Premier League. All the big guns are there. See, this is a big disgrace to all the traditional systems, the so-called systems. Manchester United, Arsenal and co, Chelsea and co. Be in the Premier League. And he's not from nowhere coming to win the league. And he's not in his first season coming to win the Premier League. See, even Pep in his first season, he didn't win the Premier League. Pep winning the league 4 times consecutively. He didn't win the Premier League in his first season. Ateta being in the league 5 seasons. Chelsea spending 1.5 billion. Nothing to show. This our Chelsea team, if it were to be like Real Madrid, look at the amount of money Man City spent. But they can show something for it. During that process, they won the Champions League. In their history, they never won it. Man City. But upon spending that money, up to now, they have the 115 charges at the court. But still, they can show something for the money that they spend. Winning the Champions League first time in their history. Winning the Premier League 4 times in a row. Before Klopp came to Man City, Chelsea was having Premier League titles more than Man City. But as we are speaking now, they have more than Chelsea. So they can show something for spending their monies, for being at the law court. If I spend and they send me to law court and I can show something for my spending, I am okay. Yes, I will be okay, even upon all the laws issues, upon all the court. Okay, this is what I benefited from my spending. But guys, can you tell me what Chelsea benefited from spending 1.5 billion? Can you tell me that what we benefited from spending 1.5 billion? Rather than that, we don't have a goalkeeper after spending 1.5 billion. We don't have a midfielder. We don't have striker. We don't have a good coach. For the honest disaster. For sporting directors, they are comedians. They are jokers. See, I can do better work than these our sporting directors. They are puppies, as I said in one of my videos. They are like dogs. They are just following the owners. Whatever the owners is telling them, they follow. The same as Maresca. So guys, this our Chelsea team is nothing but shambolic. Shambolic. Anytime that I see any team beating Man City, as I said, I started crying. I started crying as a Chelsea fan. This Manchester City is so easy to beat this season, but my Chelsea cannot beat them. They beat my Chelsea home and away this season. Oh, sorry, you guys. This is painful because owners who knows nothing about football, owners who only think that football is about making money, football is about making profit. What do you expect? What do you expect? Guys, this is shameful. This is shameful. So guys, Chelsea is the reason why Liverpool is about to win this league comfortable. Imagine Chelsea was giving Liverpool the pressure being on Liverpool's neck. Can they breathe? Can they breathe? Liverpool will not be having that confidence to be winning, gaining points upon points upon. No. If Chelsea were to be on Liverpool's neck, it will give Liverpool the pressure. They will be dropping points. But this season, Liverpool is the only team chasing the league. For Arsenal, no. Arsenal is managing to win the league. No. As I said, they can't win the league because you can't manage to win the Premier League. See, before you can win the Premier League, you must have everything ready. And Chelsea, the way we started the season, everything was there. Team A, Team B. The guys was competing among themselves, leading to better performance, giving their best for Chelsea. But because of the low mentality from our manager, because of the low mentality from the owners, saying that unless 5 years, 2 years to come before we can compete, that is why we are unable to even get top 4. If care is not taken, we are not getting top 4 this season. So guys, Chelsea is the main reason why Liverpool is about to win this league comfortable. And to be honest, Liverpool is winning the league. Liverpool is winning the league. And Slot in his first season is winning the league. Arsenal cannot win. They will rather get top 4. And for top 4, they go to Champions League. Can't do anything. Because even if Arsenal beat PSV, they are meeting Real Madrid or Atletico Madrid. They can't beat them. But when we come to Chelsea, our records in Spain, our records in European football, nobody can doubt it. Nobody can doubt it. When Chelsea meet any team in Europe, if that team is not crying, then Chelsea will not cry. We are going to give it, we will make it difficult for you, even before you can beat Chelsea in any European competition. Master, it won't be easy. But now look at us. See, can this Chelsea team, even if we qualify for Champions League, go to the top 8 and qualify? Now in a table form, in a league form, you are already meeting Real Madrid. You are already meeting PSG, Atletico Madrid, Liverpool and co, Barcelona and co. Can we qualify? To be honest, as a Chelsea fan, can we qualify? So guys, see, until clear leg out, blue co out, things change. See, disaster is coming. Until they start signing players who meet the standard of Chelsea, leaders who can come and play for Chelsea, disaster. Disaster is still coming. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought on all what we discussed in this video. Yes, Liverpool is about to win the league, and it is all down to our low mentality Maresca, our low mentality sporting directors, our low mentality owners, shambolic, clueless owners. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, and please hit the like button for this video to go far, and take care. Peace.